Today at Blade Ops, our knife topic today is multi-tools. Over the years, there have been hundreds of different styles and variations of multi-tools. And here, we're going to take a look at just a small variety of models that we have to help you find your ideal EDC lineup. The first one we'll start off with is the SOG EOD Power Lock, which by looks alone is probably one of the most recognizable styles of multi-tools that you'll see out there. With it having the main part being a standard or needle nose heavy duty pliers, and all the other tools being assorted all throughout the handle. Definitely the beefiest, but probably one of the most durable. The next one is the Kershaw Payload. This one looks like a standard style knife with a basic full-size blade on it, but where the tools are built into the handle with some different bits, as well as one end being a bit driver itself. Super cool design. Definitely more geared for the knife itself, with just a little bit of tool work. Then you've got some of your slimmer options, like the Gerber Armbar Slim Drive, which also has some interchangeable bits on the end. Gives you a little bit more weight. Not too much larger than a pen. Fit really nice down in the pocket without taking up too much room. As well as a really nice straight edge blade. And you've got more of your keychain friendly multi-tools that'll blend in right with the keys. Like this one alone has 8 different styles of tools on it. It's very simplistic. Hardly takes up any room in the pocket. As you know, we are pocket real estate agents. And then, if you want to go super simple, we've got our new Gear Spool Mighty Mini Pry Bar. It's a piece of titanium. It's got a chiseled end that you can use for any simple prying type of cutting, opening some boxes. It's very simplistic, but hey, some people like it that way. So these are just a few of the different ones that we have right here at Blade Ops. So get yours today. And tell us which multi-tool is your go-to in the comments below.